put all my work on. There's a square hole here called a hardy hole. There's a round hole called a Pritchell hole. This tool is called a cutoff hot cut for cutting hot metal. I'm going to stick it there in my hardy hole, and I'm going to cut the metal with it. I want to get it hot again.
Oh, that's how they used to make fire?
Yep.
I just hold my breath. No, I don't just hold my breath when it blows in my face. This particular piece of equipment here is called a forge. And this is coal I'm using here on the outside. This black stuff's coal. This is a blower I'm turning. That's what creates, see how the flames leaped up there? The inside that fire gets about 3,000 degrees. And if I keep talking, I'm going to burn my piece of metal out. See how shiny it is? It was almost nothing. So I'm just going to cut this.
I can see the steam.
Almost through. Remove that so I don't hurt myself. Put that in there in the nail header and break it. And we'll use the Pritchell hole. And finish the nail. Now, it's still hot. When metal gets hot, it expands. Okay, y'all know what that word means?
Yep.
It gets bigger. So what do you think happens when it cools down?
It
It's tiny, it shrinks, it gets smaller. So when I put that in the water, it cools it down and makes it smaller. That's so I can get it out of the nail head. Okay, I'm going to store it over here and pass that around. It's not hot. Pass it around.
It's cool.
Yeah, she's going to bring it back around.
Are you still recording it?
Yeah, I want to record this. Of course, I'm recording
Anybody
it.
have any questions? What's what?
Take a picture already.
Here.
You want me to hold it for you, Michael?
When I start working,
That is so cool.
I scale like
Yeah.
that before I hammer it.
It's cool.
So the scale will get hammered into the metal.
Dude, he's recording it too.
Yes.
How did you find the coal to make this stuff?
Well, I buy this in a certain place. I buy it from me.
I see grinder.
That's the
grinder over there.
That's forbidden circle.
That's cool.
Water
Bring your metal over here.
Yeah.
And it'd be hot, and I hit it around this and make a circle with a hook or something like that. Yes.
How long have you been a blacksmith?
I've been blacksmithing about 30 years.
Wow.